this right here, when it's turning, right? Easy. Right now, easy. Right there, it's hard. When the hard is the compression. When you feel in the hard, the south, right here you see, I move it. You see this?
Oh, yeah.
The little pin. When you feel the hard, you put in the south, line it up, and then you check it. Yeah, then you check it. This, very tight. No going inside. This, very tight. Check it one more time. Easy. Right there, hard. And you stop it, line it up. Check it one more time. Hard. Both of them pretty tight. Maybe that's why it's not working correct too. Number 8. And when you're doing this, only poquito. And check it, because you move mucho, shit, better loose. Working. Come on. Working. Shit. We'll do it, chale. Last year.
Maybe. You will do it.
Shit. Way too tight.
Papa correcto. You're a good mechanic.
No, last year, Chele no understand this. You turn it and put it south. Chele habla a mí. Only turn it, check it out. Nah, me check a video. Nah, it's not correct.
Yeah.
Tighten a little bit. You see, it's like it's grabbing a little bit. You put it, it's grabbing a little bit. That's correct. This one, same. Too tight. Loosen it. And that's a lot. Me turning that much, that's a lot. And look, tight. No bueno. No bueno. Way too tight. Shit. Get very loose. It's grabbing poquito, a little more. Look, only that much, a little bit. It's mucho diferente, see? Only a little bit. It's good. Now turn it again. 2, 3. Check it out. Loose. Tighten. Correct. 1, 2, 3. Loose. Tighten. That's why you check it out. Sometimes not correct. Maybe tighten this one a little. And you know how to line up like this?
Mm-hmm.
You do it by itself.
Mm-hmm.
The magnet. 1, 2, the threads. You're looking. No touch it, watch. No touch it. Line it up to the pole. Check it. Little tight. Too tight. Maybe this one, the valve's not too good. But you shouldn't have to check it mucho. Maybe only one time check it. Okay, it's good. That's it. You know, this shit, no good. Color. The color.
Hambre.
Hambre. Okay, should be good. A little bit. It's good.
Chile.
You see, moving poquito. I had to check it, make sure it's perfecto. I loosen this one just a little bit, and that's it. It's all good. Put the cover. No mucho basura. More easy to take it out. You're looking. You're not losing.
Come on, Chile.
No, pinchalo. No. Estúpido. What happened, Chile?
It's in the chile.
Oh, this one's good. Tightens it. And that's it for the